Hello, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to be doing something different. A lot of people have been asking how do you play melodies along progression, along chords. So I want to give you how I do my own. And for a beginner, get to know the progression of the song first, no matter how simple the progression is for you. As long as you're okay with the progression, let's say if it is 1 4 1 5, that is your progression. Now, two, make sure that you know the kind of scale you are using for the song. So, if it is the normal scale, you look for the melody inside this scale, right? Then you make sure that you compare the melody, play the progression, look for the melody inside the chords, and then when you are done, you put all of them together. So I want to use this song, Blessed Assurance. Let me play it and then show you. So this is a progression. Blessed Assurance, Jesus is mine. Oh, what a first thing. Oh, so I already know my progression. You get it? So it's from 1 to 3, 4, back to 1. Then I do a 6, 2, then flat 5 to 5. Then I do the 1, 3, 3 to 6. The 6 I play the middle. Then born of His Spirit 2. Then His blood. Alright, so when I'm done, what I have to do is to look for the melody. Okay, so that's how. So that's the melody. Now what I have to do is to infuse the melody into the chords. Now, if you're a beginner, it might be difficult for you from the beginning, but you don't have any way around. You have to learn it the way it's supposed to be done. All right, so let's do the first one. And you should now understand that for those who play complex, they can play, for example, chord 1. They can play trial like this. They can play chord like this. They can play 1 like this. They can play suspended. They can play this way. They understand. Some even do, the rootless voicings. They understand their chords. They have the extension. Some will play the extension. So for a beginner, just get your normal chord and try to infuse it into it. So let's do the example. So I'm using, because if you so the melody ends here. So if I do this, are you hearing? This one is a higher note, but the melody ends here. So if the melody ends here, then I'm supposed to play a 3. This is chord 3. I just remove this one and bring it here, so you get it. So you see, at the end of the day, I'm still playing the same chord. So it's like, for example, if I'm playing one like this, but it's like, this is the last one, not, so I can't play Blessed Assurance. This one destroys everything. So the melody has to be on the last note. So for example, so C. So now this is a chord. So on the chord I can play. So you see, same chord. I've not done anything. So 1, 2, 3. So then I move to 4. I hope you are getting it. So the same progression. Then I can do, or I can do you see, and it's still 4. Then 3. Then I'll do the 6. Everything is infused into the chord progressions that you're playing. So if it was a professional, you see it. That is how to do it. And a lot more songs also. Let's see, what song again? Okay. Your love is kind, your love is patient, you fill my heart with so much peace and joy. So I do 1 4 1 5. For this 4, so this one can then 5. So you see, there's the 4. Then so whatever you are playing so ends up in the chord, or it could be 5 with the extension, or like this. At the end of the day, the melody is inside the chord. If you don't find it in the simple chord, it could be either an add 9 or add 6, or major 7 or major 9 or minor 9, whichever one you're playing. But when you are able to get your main melody line and you inculcate it into the progression that you have, very soon you should be able to play songs and play the melody line alongside without having to memorize where the melody lines are, because most of the time they are infused into the song. So I'll be coming to you with more tutorials like this, I will be breaking down how to get melodies and other stuffs. See you. Bye bye.